Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Laravel versus Django. Laravel, a PHP framework, is celebrated for its elegant syntax and developer-friendly features, making web development intuitive. Django, built on Python, champions rapid development with its batteries-included philosophy, providing many functionalities out of the box. Both are powerful tools for building robust web applications, but they approach development with distinct philosophies. Understanding these core differences is your first step in choosing the right framework for your next project. When considering performance and scalability, both Laravel and Django offer robust solutions. Django, leveraging Python's optimized C implementations, can achieve high performance, especially with careful tuning. Laravel, with PHP's continuous advancements and effective caching mechanisms, also delivers competitive speeds. Ultimately, the ability to handle high traffic and scale large applications depends more on your specific application's architecture and optimization strategies than on the inherent speed of either framework alone. Both are capable of supporting significant loads. The ecosystems and communities surrounding Laravel and Django are incredibly vibrant and supportive. Laravel boasts a vast array of packages and a highly active community, offering extensive documentation and numerous tutorials. Similarly, Django benefits from a mature and engaged community, providing a wide selection of reusable applications and comprehensive guides. The availability of these rich resources and the collective knowledge of thousands of developers significantly accelerate development, simplify problem-solving, and ensure long-term support for your projects. Regarding use cases and learning curves, Laravel often shines for projects prioritizing rapid development and elegant user interfaces, particularly for those comfortable with PHP. Django, conversely, is frequently chosen for data-intensive applications, robust APIs, and projects where security and a structured approach are paramount. While Laravel's learning curve is generally considered gentler for PHP developers, Django's opinionated nature and Pythonic conventions might present a slightly steeper initial learning experience for newcomers. Both offer immense power once mastered.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.